Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your love energy, and I'll be picking one card from the Oracle guidance deck for you guys. Ace of Wands, the Sun in reverse, and Four of Wands in reverse, guys. So with these cards, guys, I see that you are celebrating today some kind of success in your situation. You are happy how things are going in your life, Scorpios. You are beginning some adventurous things in your life. Maybe it may be work related, some new ventures, some projects, or some assignments, or some collaborations, whatever it is, something new is coming your way. That is what these cards are about. And you are celebrating today, guys, some initial success, maybe the beginning of some lucrative projects, or something happy. Maybe for some of you all, you may be celebrating your birthday today. That is what I see with these cards. So some happiness and contentment is there for how your situation is unfolding your day, and you have that excitement today in your life, guys. You are excited how things are proceeding today. And maybe for some of you all, you may be planning a trip with your person, with family, maybe an adventure trip, something like trekking, or something which you love to do. You may be planning that. And also I see here that you have that confidence and determination in your heart. You have that courage to deal with anything today. You have that confidence today, guys. That is also what I see here with these cards. You feel happy how things are going today, guys, Scorpios. Let us see what is the energy with these cards. So this may relate to your career situation or your relationship, Scorpios. Let us see what are these cards for your love energies. Lilies, tree, lady. So again, a very positive set of cards here, Scorpios. This person you are in relationship with, guys, they are also interested in this connection. Or if you are single and if you are looking for a new person, or if you are interested in someone and you may have doubts that whether this person will like you or not, this person also will is open for this connection, guys, open to this connection. And they may want a romantic relationship with you. That is what I see here. They want this intimate, deep connection with you. That is also what I see here, guys, with these cards. And maybe if you are already in a relationship, in this connection, guys, you may share that great understanding with this person. That bond, deep connection is there. Maybe for some of you, this may be a twin flame soulmate connection, guys. You have that familiarity with this person. Even at the first time, you would have felt that you know this person. You feel something very familiar about them. Maybe their characters, the way they speak, something that would have been the reason for that attraction and this deep bond, this connection with this person. So that is also what I see here. And this person adores you, they are devoted to you, and they want this passionate, intimate relationship with you. They feel deep attraction towards you. That is what I see here. And in this relationship, this person wants to structure your relationship, stabilize, go for that long term commitment with this person. They want commitment with you, so they are making those efforts and they are moving towards commitment, guys. They want to get engaged to you, or they want to get married to you. That is what these cards are about. That is what they see. That is what I see with these cards. So this person wants marriage with you, guys. And also these cards denote some kind of cycles. Maybe this relationship, this may be a karmic cycle. That is the reason this person is there with you. That is the reason you feel that attraction, that understanding, deep understanding, unbelievable level of connection. That is what you feel with this person, guys. That intimacy, harmony is there in this connection. Maybe that is the reason this may be twin flame soulmate connection, guys, or this may be a karmic cycle. So that is the reason you have that deep understanding with this person in your relationship, guys. Or if you are single and if you are looking for a new person, interested in a new person, this person is also interested in you, guys, and they are also open to this relationship. That is what these cards are about. I'll be picking one card from the oracle guidance, guys, a random card. So that is your oracle's guidance. Regeneration. With this card, guys, the energy for your Scorpios, this may relate to our work situation or in our to our personal life, our relationship, guys. So with this card, the energy is that you may be getting some kind of second chances or new opportunities in your life, guys. Maybe in your work situation, whatever projects or whatever collaborations, whatever you thought has stalled or delayed or suspended, that may revive again, or something in place of that old projects, or something in place of that which with much better results that may reach you. That is what this card is about, guys. And maybe even in your relationship, sometimes in our past we would have had some kind of breakup, and we'd have had some hurt and bad memories because of that. But this card is about second chances. Maybe that person, your ex, they may be coming towards you to mend this relationship, to make that adjustment and flexibility to be in this connection with you. Or maybe someone else new, they may be approaching you who is much better than your past person. That is what I see here with this card, guys. And that is the reading for you all today. But all you need to do is, guys, you have to let whatever that is working, that was not working, to die, let that go. So whatever that was not working in your relationship or in your work situation, you have to let that go, guys. You should not afraid to face the facts. So all that grievances and struggles, whatever you had, you have to let that all go, to be reborn today, to become that new self. Accept that present happiness, whatever is coming towards you, Scorpios. And that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.